Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project. We've got quite a few before and during videos, and I'll do some afters of this project as well. Got about 500 ports on this project to get finished up. You follow along this project and over 2,000 of my other projects on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. Need epoxy injection, foundation repair, give me a shout. This one here is taking quite a bit of material. You can see those bubbles. That's how you monitor these epoxy injection projects. It's just a super slow process of monitoring this epoxy getting injected into each one of these zerks. You might inject one zerk for 15-20 seconds. You might be on one zerk for an hour. It just depends on how long it takes to travel up to that next zerk. The epoxy starts coming out there. You shut this guy off, go up to him, start injecting, and follow it right up. Jade Alpine, I'll see you guys on the next video.